Alright, so here we have it. Got both powers plugged in here. CPU was installed correctly as far as I know. Got the RAM in there, right? Got a video card with power in it. All these plugged in correctly. That's all the front electronics and stuff. It's the USB for the front. So, for some reason it's still not turning on. I got this cable here. I'm thinking maybe I'm a dumbass and I just forgot to plug something in electronically. Like maybe this. And there's an extra PCI coming up top up here that I never found a use for. So yeah, pretty much, from what I can tell, I've got everything installed correctly. But I'll go and turn it on. I'll get a new video connection. And I'm using a monitor I know works. I've used it on 3 or 4 computers in the past. So I come over here and I make sure it's turned on here. It just says no video connection. It's thinking about it right there. But yeah, so this turns on, but don't really think about much of anything, and we'll just sit there and run forever. So yeah, if you've got any idea, maybe I'm just a dumbass and forgot to plug something in, or whether this would be the motherboard or the CPU, just please let me know. Alright, thanks.